Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar remains somewhat weak but holds steadily above the key area that is seen around 62.80 to 63.35. Now it is assessed, given the fact that there is bullish divergence. Along with that, the MACD is in a prime position to actually alter its stance, possibly back to a bullish case. May see the market move on to 63.85 to around 64.45, where reassessment should be seen. As a break above there will give further scope on towards 66 cents. The euro was somewhat unchanged on Monday, holding above the key area of 104.30.40, as the US dollar, the DXY, remains flat around 107 in New York. With the US Federal Reserve kicking off its two-day meeting, traders are now somewhat cautious, as this is the final meeting for 2024 ahead of Trump's administration swearing in January 2025. The Federal Open Market Committee, or the FOMC, is widely expected to cut the key Fed funds target by 25 basis points. This should see a little bit to the weaker side for the dollar and therefore see the euro rebound and look towards the region of 105.30 and maybe to that key area, which is around 105.80 to 106, and reassess. Any weakness should find support around the lows of 104.30.40. To no surprise, dollar yen continues to march higher and now trading around 154. It is noted that we are overbought and a little bit concerned due to the fact that last time we got to this area, it got very volatile and whipsawed, and also a rejection, which I do in favour believe that may happen again. And if history does repeat itself, then looking for a pullback towards 152.65.75, and there a break would lead on to 150.5. Sterling stronger overnight, and still all eyes will be on the Bank of England's rate decision Thursday. Nevertheless, given the fact that the market was a little bit stronger since the engulfing candle to the bear case, let's see if the market can now clear the area of 127.10. If so, could see a rally on to 128. Spot gold was pretty much unchanged overnight. It's still hovering around 2,646. I still believe the market may be a little bit to touch to the weaker side, but lacking technicals gives me somewhat a neutral bias, and I'm waiting for better opportunities to get back into the market once I see the technicals starting to unfold in favor of a direction. And let's wait for now and see how the market unfolds. If we do see a drop towards 2,600, that's where I believe demand is. But that being said, the market is likely to expect bargain hunters, so let's see how the market plays into the Fed's rate decision. Wrapping up with oil, still has potential to climb higher. I like the way this pattern's unfolding, and therefore looking up towards 71 to 71.5 to maybe even 72.5. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. And as always, look out for the internet report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.